G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just touching on a question that's asked from a lot of clients, why we use an antimicrobial agent on certain cleaning jobs. Obviously we've got a lot of good big commercial gear, which is very important to have on the job too, but just cleaning a surface alone, a lot of time when you've got the organics on there, up here in Queensland especially, we've got mould exploding everywhere. Pressure cleaning or soft washing, using different agents, yes, can certainly break down the grime, but the mould spores themselves, even if you clean a hard surface like a driveway, or some people do roof cleaning, pressure cleaning, yes, it might appear to be clean, but you still got mould spores sitting there. So great tool to use. You need to know how to use it though, what ratios. But, if you've got any questions, give us a call, and if you need any work done out there, give us a call. High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast.
Thank you.